Hello kids. In the last video we learned about coastal plains. In coastal plains, western coastal plains, Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, Malabar coast we learned. Okay? Coastal plains, in coastal plains, western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains, two types are there. In western coastal plains, Saurashtra coast means Gujarat coast, Konkana coast and Malabar coast we learned. Now we are going to learn eastern coastal plains. Okay, eastern coastal plains. So see here, eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains lies between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. These plains are wider, leveled as compared to western coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains begin from West Bengal and pass through Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. They end at Kanyakumari. The northern part of the eastern coastal plain is called Northern Circus. Northern Circus. While the southern part in the coastal line is called the Koro Mandala coast. The Koro Mandala coast lies between Kanyakumari and Andhra Pradesh. From here on begin the northern circus, which move upward right up to West Bengal. The eastern coastal plain consists of the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and make this tract of land fertile. Rice and sugarcane are grown in this highly fertile region. Additionally, cotton, coconut, jute are grown in eastern coastal plains. Now we will see the map. Turn the page. Okay, first we see western coastal plain. Western coastal plain from strip of land lying between Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. Lying between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. The western coastal plain begin Gujarat at Gulf to Kutch, going to southward towards the western parts of the Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, going to up to Kanyakumari. The western coastal plain forms a strip of the land lying between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. The western coastal plain begin in Gujarat at the Gulf of Kutch, going south towards through the western parts of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala, right up to the Kanyakumari. Understood kids? Now we will see eastern coastal plains. This side. Eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains lies between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Lies between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. These plains are wider and leveled as compared to the western coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains begin from West Bengal. Western coastal plains begin from West Bengal and pass through the Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Western coastal plain begins from West Bengal and pass through the Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu and at Kanyakumari. The northern part of the coastal plain the northern part of the coastal plain is called northern circles. Northern circles. Look here. The northern part of the eastern coastal plain is called the northern circles, while the southern part of the coastal line is called the Mandala coast. While the southern part in the coastal line is called the Mandala coast. The Mandala coast lies between Kanyakumari and Andhra Pradesh. This Mandala coast lies between Kanyakumari and Andhra Pradesh. From here begin the northern circles which move upward to the West Bengal. The Mandala coast lies between Kanyakumari to Andhra Pradesh. And here, which one coastal start? Northern circles coastal start. Here begin the northern circles which move upward right to the West Bengal. Look in this map, kids. The eastern coastal plain consists of deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna. The eastern coastal plains consist of the deltas of the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and make this tract of land fertile. Rice and sugar cane are grown here in this highly fertile region. Because the coastal plain consists of the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna that make this tract of the land fertile. So here rice and sugar cane are grown very much quantity, and the rice and sugar cane grow very good quality. Additionally, cotton, coconut, jute are grown in the eastern coastal plains. Understood, kids? Okay, now turn the page. Now see, Chennai and Visakhapatnam are two very important ports. Chennai is the one of the largest port in India. Visakhapatnam is a natural harbour and also has a huge shipbuilding yard and an oil refinery. Turn the page and see in this one map. Chennai and Visakhapatnam are two important ports. Chennai is one of the largest port and Visakhapatnam is a natural harbour and also has huge shipbuilding yards and oil refinery here. Okay, see, turn the page. It is the Chennai port. It is a very big largest port. Visakhapatnam is a natural harbour and huge shipbuilding yard and an oil refineries here. Do you know Kanyakumari is known for its beautiful sunrise. Kanyakumari is also known for its beautiful sunrise, sunset as well as for the unique site of the union of the three major water bodies, Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. Kanyakumari. Turn the page, kids. See where it is the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is here. End of our country means southern part. See, it's a dot is there. It is here. It is Kanyakumari is there, and the Kanyakumari is known for its beautiful sunrise and sunset, as well as for the unique site of the union of three major water bodies, Kanyakumari is known for its beautiful sunrise, sunset, as well as for the unique site of the union of three major water bodies: Arabian Sea this side, which one sea is there? Bay of Bengal and Indian Sea. Arabian Sea, Indian Sea, Bay of Bengal is unique site of the union of the three major water bodies: Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. So Kanyakumari is known for its unique site of the union of three major water bodies and for its beautiful sunrise and sunset. Understood, kids? Okay, now turn the page. Lake Chilika is an important feature along the eastern coast. Name and important features of this lake. I will explain this question's answer in when we'll solve the exercise. So next, see island. India has two major island group, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep is island. Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep is island. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Island are a group of islands situated in the Bay of Bengal. They are one of the Union Territories of India. Port Blair is the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, while rice and coconut were widely grown here. The climate is also suitable for growing pulses, fruits and vegetables. This territory consists of two distinct groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar. There are about 572 islands, of which nearly 37 islands are inhabited. Andaman and Nicobar Island picture is this one. Turn the page. Back side take. Turn the page back. See kids. Here Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of islands situated in the Bay of Bengal. Where situated Andaman and Nicobar? The Andaman and the Nicobar Islands are group of islands and they are situated in the Bay of Bengal. They are situated in the Bay of Bengal. They are one of the Union Territories of India. Andaman and Nicobar are one of the Union Territories of India. Understood? No? These are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are situated in the Bay of Bengal Sea. Now, what is island? Name any 4 islands in around India. These question answers I'll give you when you solve the exercise. Okay. Now see Lakshadipa Island. Andaman Nicobar over. Now see Lakshadipa. Lakshadweep Island are located near the Malabar coast in the Arabian Sea. It is a group of about 36 islands and the islets with only a few inhabited by the people. They form the smallest Union Territories of India. Like all coastal areas, rice and coconut are the main crops. Additionally, Lakshadweep grow bananas, edible root crops and the millets. Seekers. Lakshadweep Island are located near the Malabar coast near the Arabian Sea. See, where is the Lakshadipa coast? Island. Lakshadipa Island. Look here, kids. Lakshadweep Islands are located near the Malabar coast. Lakshadweep Islands are located near the Malabar coast in the Arabian Sea. In the Arabian Sea, it is a group of about 36 islands and islets with only a few inhabited by people. They form a smallest union territory of India. Like all coastal areas, rice and coconut are the main crops. Additionally, they grow bananas, edible root crops and millets here. Okay, now turn the page. This side, the Bay of Bengal Sea, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are there, and in the Arabian Sea, which island is there? Lakshadweep Island is there. Importance of coastal area. Before that, we'll find out this one. Information on Kalapani or the cellular jail in the Andaman Nicobar Island, which famous Indian freedom fighter was jailed here. See kids, here in Andaman Nicobar Island, Kalapani means cellular jail is there. Here, more famous Indian freedom fighters was jailed here. Our most famous freedom fighters was jailed here in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, now turn the page. Next, see what is there. Importance of coastal area. Importance of coastal area. Coastal regions provide a critical input for industries such as space for developing a port for transporting goods, fishing, other marine activities, and thus provide livelihood to many. Importance of coastal areas. Coastal regions provide a critical inputs for industries such as space of developing a port for transporting goods, fishing, other marine activities, and thus provide a livelihood to many. Okay? Now we stop here. You read the lesson, whole lesson you read, and write down all new words in your notebook. Okay? In the next video, we are going to solve before going to solve the exercise, we revise the lesson again once time. Then we solve the exercise. Understood, kids? Thank you for watching the video.